Hey there, science fans! Did you know that you're walking around with a whole universe inside you? It's true! Your body is home to trillions of tiny organisms, so small you can't even see them. We call these little guys microorganisms, and they're much more important than you might think. These aren't the kind of creatures you'd see in a zoo. We're talking bacteria, fungi, parasites, even amoebas. They're all living in and on you right now. But don't worry, they're not here to harm you. In fact, most of them are incredibly helpful and keep you healthy. Think of your body like a bustling city, and these microorganisms are the citizens. They have jobs, they interact with each other, and they all contribute to the city's overall well-being. Pretty cool, right? So, get ready to explore the fascinating world of your internal universe. We're about to meet the microscopic heroes that keep you going.
Let's start with the most abundant residents of your inner world, bacteria. You might be surprised to learn that your gut, mostly your intestines, is teeming with these tiny helpers. They're like little food factories working hard to keep you fueled and feeling your best. What do? Well, they help break down food that your body can't digest on its own. Think of them as your personal chefs, transforming complex foods into simpler compounds your body can actually use. But wait, there's more. These bacterial buddies also play a crucial role in keeping your immune system strong. They help train your body to fight off harmful invaders and keep you from getting sick. So, next time you enjoy a delicious meal, remember to thank the bacteria in your gut for doing the heavy lifting. They're the unsung heroes of digestion and immunity.
Now let's talk about fungi. When you hear the word fungi, you might think of mushrooms or maybe even athlete's foot. But not all fungi are bad news. In fact, some types of fungi, like yeast, are actually beneficial and live happily in your gut. You know how bread rises thanks to yeast? Well, similar types of yeast live in your intestines, helping with digestion and nutrient absorption. They work alongside bacteria, breaking down food and making sure your body gets all the good stuff. Fungi also contribute to a balanced gut environment. They keep things in check, preventing any one type of microorganism from growing out of control. It's all about maintaining a harmonious community inside you. So while some fungi can cause problems, remember that others are part of a healthy and balanced ecosystem within your body.
Section 4. Living in Harmony. Tales of friendly parasites. This might sound surprising, but not all parasites are bad. We usually think of parasites as harmful invaders, but some types have actually evolved to live in harmony with their human hosts. These friendly parasites have adapted to live inside us without causing any harm. In fact, some scientists believe they might even offer some benefits, like helping to regulate our immune systems. They've learned to coexist peacefully, taking what they need to survive without causing us any trouble. It's a fascinating example of how different species can adapt and evolve together over time. So, while it's true that some parasites can be harmful, remember that not all of them are our enemies. Some have become part of our internal ecosystem, living in balance within our bodies.
Section 5. Amoebas in the mix. Not always a cause for alarm. Finally, let's talk about amoebas. These single-celled organisms are found in water and soil, and sometimes they can end up in our intestines. Now, some amoebas can cause illnesses, but many are harmless and just passing through. They might sound a bit strange, but these microscopic creatures are part of the diverse world of microorganisms that inhabit our gut. Most of the time, they don't cause any problems and are simply part of the natural ebb and flow of our internal ecosystem. Of course, it's always a good idea to practice good hygiene and take precautions to avoid ingesting harmful amoebas. But remember, their presence in our intestines isn't always a cause for alarm. It's a reminder that our bodies are complex ecosystems, constantly interacting with the world around us.
Section 6. Our internal ecosystem, a balancing act of life. As we've discovered, our bodies are home to a vast and diverse community of microorganisms. These tiny creatures, from bacteria to fungi, parasites to amoebas, play a vital role in our health and well-being. They help us digest food, absorb nutrients, boost our immunity, and maintain a balanced gut environment. It's a delicate dance of life, with trillions of players working together to keep us functioning at our best. Just like a garden needs tending to thrive, our internal ecosystem needs care too. Eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and managing stress all contribute to a healthy balance of microorganisms within us. So let's appreciate the incredible world inside us, a hidden universe of life that keeps us going strong. Remember, we're not just individuals, we're entire ecosystems teeming with life.